GNOME versus Cinnamon. Which Linux desktop environment is best? Choosing the right desktop environment can completely change how you experience your Linux system without feeling overwhelmed. Let's explore both GNOME and Cinnamon briefly. GNOME and Cinnamon are two popular Linux desktop environments, each with its unique approach. GNOME offers a modern, streamlined interface focused on simplicity, while Cinnamon provides a more traditional desktop experience that resembles classic operating systems, catering to different user preferences. GNOME is a widely used desktop environment known for its clean and modern design. It emphasizes minimalism and efficiency, providing a user-friendly interface with a focus on productivity. GNOME uses a unique Activities overview for accessing applications and managing windows, making multitasking seamless. Its strengths include a cohesive design, extensive customization options through GNOME shell extensions, and strong support from a vibrant community. However, some users may find its simplicity limiting compared to more traditional environments. Ideal users for GNOME are those who appreciate a modern aesthetic and want a distraction-free workspace, making it great for developers and professionals focusing on productivity. Cinnamon is a desktop environment designed to offer a familiar experience for users transitioning from other operating systems. It features a traditional desktop layout with a taskbar, menu, and system tray, making it intuitive for those accustomed to Windows or macOS. Cinnamon's strengths lie in its customizability, allowing users to tweak the interface to their liking easily. It also provides a rich set of features, including multiple applets and themes, enhancing user satisfaction. However, it may not be as lightweight as GNOME, which could affect performance on older hardware. Ideal users for Cinnamon are those seeking a traditional desktop experience with flexibility, making it suitable for casual users and those who prefer a classic feel. When comparing GNOME and Cinnamon, consider your workflow and preferences. GNOME's modern interface is perfect for users who appreciate simplicity and efficiency, while Cinnamon's traditional layout appeals to those who prefer familiarity. For instance, if you frequently multitask and use keyboard shortcuts, GNOME's streamlined design may enhance your productivity. In contrast, if you enjoy customizing your desktop and prefer a classic layout, Cinnamon could provide a more comfortable experience. Both environments have their strengths and trade-offs, so the choice ultimately depends on whether you value a modern aesthetic or a traditional setup. For users seeking a sleek modern experience with efficient multitasking, GNOME is the recommended choice. If you prefer a traditional desktop experience with extensive customization options, Cinnamon is the way to go. Both environments offer unique benefits, so choose the one that aligns best with your preferences and workflow for an optimal Linux experience.